In this video, I want to show you how to fix a frozen Apple Watch. So even if you're trying to use the touchscreen, the button, nothing is reacting, it's stuck there. What should you do? Well, the first thing you should try is to press the crown, okay, and this button both at the same time until you see the Apple logo coming up on the screen. So let's do it together. Okay, let's say it was stuck over here. Keep both of these buttons pressed. The screen will turn off, but keep them pressed until the Apple logo is appearing. This is just a restart, a forced restart that can fix so many issues, including your screen being frozen. Here we go, the Apple logo came. I can release, and usually under 2 minutes, you'll be able to use your Apple Watch once again. If this didn't work, even if pressing this button didn't do anything to your watch, what you can do is to simply leave your watch with the screen frozen and wait until the battery is completely depleted, until the screen is dark, because yeah, there's no juice left in the watch. Once the battery is completely depleted, go ahead and connect the Apple Watch using a charger. I mean, maybe the charger that came with it. And wait at least 5 hours, 6 hours, just to make sure that the battery is completely charged to 100%. And then to power on your Apple Watch, simply press both of these buttons, keep them pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing. And after doing this, well, your screen will be unfrozen. If you found one of these tricks useful, please leave a like, but also comment down below. Or if you have any other tricks, or if these tricks didn't work, leave a comment as well. I'll be really curious. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.